guys, nice to meet you. Today we will discuss the 5 important things you'd better know before starting your Korean journey. Please try to focus on the big branch, not a small detail, even though you feel a little bit fast. And you can find the materials used in this video at the link in the YouTube description. Then let's get started. Here is the table of content, just check it please. Okay, let's kick off with the fundamental principle of Korean grammar. There are two main principles defined by Korean language norm. The first one is to write Korean as it sounds. For example, the word 나라, the spelling and pronunciation are same. The next word, 파도, is also written as 파도 and called as 파도. The words according to these principles are relatively easy to learn, but not all Korean words follow this principle. The second principle is write Korean according to grammar rules. You should follow the original shape of words rather than the sound, in case where the sound of words are changed under various grammar situations. The words might become difficult to understand in sentence if the sound is changed depending on situations. For instance, the word 울어요, to cry, have to be written as 울어요, even though pronounced as 울어요. Can you find the difference? Not written as it sounds. The same goes to the word 문어, which means octopus. We write 문어 like this, not a 문어. Okay, the second thing you'd better know is the composition of Hangul. Similar to English, Hangul consists of consonants and vowels. Let's go to the vowels at first. There are 21 vowels in Hangul. I'm gonna show you 3 characteristics of vowel. First, they are always combined with the consonant ing when used alone. This is because the only consonant that has no phonetic sound is ing. Second, vowels match name and sound. For example, ah is written as ah and also called as ah. So, ah has same name and sound. And also, is written as and called as o. Third, vowels can be classified into 2 main categories. The words on the first line is pronounced at once, and the others on the second and third lines are pronounced by combining 2 vowels. The next is consonant. Each consonant has a distinct name which is not same with the sound. For example, the name of the letter, like this, is 기역, but it sounds 그, and the letter like this named 니은, and the sounds н. The name and sound are different, but the name includes their sound. Consonants can be categorized into 3 parts. First, basic form, 기역, 니은, 미음, 시옷, 이응. Second consonant, 디귿, 리을, 비읍, 지읒, 치읓, 히읗, 티읕, 피읕, 히읗. They are added 2 strokes to the basic form. Third, double consonant, 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. They sound 끄, 뜨, 뿌, 스, 쯔. And 쌍 means pair or double in English. Okay, the third point you should know is the combination of consonants and vowels. Like English, Korean combines consonants and vowels, but the method of combining differs from English. Remember 2 key ideas. First, each consonant needs a partner vowel. It can't be used alone. 기역, 니은 are wrong, and 가, 나 are right. Second, as I said before, when a vowel stands alone, the consonant 이응 must be attached like this. In English, each letter are positioned horizontally, but in Korean, consonants and vowels are placing side by side or above and below, like this. Additionally, final consonant can be added under the combined form like this. Move on to the fourth topic. Let's briefly explore how Hangul was created. Hangul means the Korean written language. King Sejong created Hangul in 1443. Before the creation of Hangul, Korean used Chinese character to represent the Korean language. This is the reason that he crafted Hangul to let people express their thoughts with their language. Vowels were created by combining three elements. A blue dot represents sky, a vertical line represents human, and a horizontal line represents earth. For example, the combination of sky and human results in a, like this, and the combination of earth and sky produces u. Following this principle, a total of 21 vowels were created. And now the 19 Korean consonants. The 5 basic consonants were designed based on the shape of vocal organs, and then, adding strokes to the basic consonants, 8 additional consonants are created. Plus, in the way of placing same letters side by side, 5 double consonants are created. Okay, the final topic is the composition of Korean vocabulary. The Korean words can be categorized into pure Korean words and Sino-Korean words, which stem from Chinese character. At first, pure Korean words. They are commonly used in daily life and spoken language. They lose their meanings when they are separated. For example, the word 사랑 means love, cannot be divided into 사 and 랑. And the same goes to the 하늘, sky. On the other hand, Sino-Korean words are more formal and used in scholar field or official context. Each character of Sino-Korean holds its own meaning. For instance, 대문, big door, consists of 대, which means big, and 문, which means door. In the same way, the word 소량, small amount, consists of 소, which means small or few, and 량, which means quantity or amount. Okay, today's contents are done. We have learned 5 things you'd better know before learning Korean. On this video, please focus on the big branch, not the small details, because you're gonna meet all details later. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day. Bye bye, 안녕.